RBI circular is the Bible of banking knowledge. And you are watching us live today in our various social media platforms, LinkedIn, YouTube, two platforms of YouTube, Bank Promotion and main channel of Knowledgeist. Then on Twitter, on Facebook. Okay. And we are celebrating 1 lakh subscriber both in LinkedIn and in YouTube. So let's dive into it. And today, what we are going to read: RBI circular and notifications, a special circular on bulk deposit, new PSL guidelines and calculation thereafter. How to calculate PSL? ठीक है, क्योंकि कुछ कुछ एग्जाम्स में जैसे क्रेडिट ऑफिसर्स के एग्जाम में PSL का कैलकुलेशन भी आता है. ठीक है. देन RBI bulletin and press release of RBI, Harbinger 2024 and top MCQ. Yes, we are celebrating 7,000 plus success stories at Knowledgeist. So you could be next one: RRB, BOM Scale 2, Scale 3, RBI Grade B batch, your full year pass, all course link, everything is there. You can join us in Telegram not to miss any update. A special course on RBI circular gist and monthly banking for a full year access is available. Download our application from iOS, Android and web for smoother reading and anytime, anywhere reading. So let's discuss about the fast notification RBI. So now RBI raises the bulk deposit threshold for SCBs and small finance banks as well as local area banks. So what is a bulk deposit? Above which banks can give a preferential rate of interest. ठीक है, एक टिकट साइज के अनुसार, अकॉर्डिंग टू द टिकट साइज ऑफ द लोन, एक specific rate of interest in a card rate, you are offered a rate of interest. If you go to bank, the rate of interest for a FD is 7.5% or 6% or 8% for that matter. Can on your special request the bank manager change the card rate on FDs? No, because it is below the threshold limit. अगर bulk deposit है तो bulk deposit में preferential rate of interest या फिर aggressive rate of interest offer किया जाता है. ठीक है. Reserve Bank of India has changed the bulk deposit threshold from rupees 2 crore to 3 crore for SCBs and SFBs. ठीक है, मतलब शेड्यूल्ड कमर्शियल बैंक और स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक का जो नया लिमिट है वो है 3 करोड़. आरआरबी का रिसेंटली 15 लाख से इंक्रीज होके 1 करोड़ हुआ है. कौन से महीने का सर्कुलर है? If you are an ardent follower of Knowledgeist and you are rigorously following our RBI circular gist, which is highly popular, even people inside Reserve Bank of India follow the RBI circular gist, क्योंकि जिस तरह से हम डिकोड करते हैं ग्राफिक्स के साथ, बहुत इजी होता है अंडरस्टैंड करना, क्योंकि जो आरबीआई का गाइडलाइंस होता है वो पीडीएफ में खाली टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में आता है और मतलब पैसेज के फॉर्मेट में आता है. जो बुलेट पॉइंट में हम उसको डिकोड करते हैं, इट इज हाईली पॉपुलर. तो अगर आप नॉलेजिस्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं तो आपको पूरा का पूरा आरबीआई सर्कुलर आपके फिंगर टिप्स पर होगा या फिर आपको पूरा याद होगा. तो मैंने जनवरी के सर्कुलर में बताया था आरआरबी का 15 लाख से बढ़कर 1 करोड़ हुआ है. उसके साथ एक नया एडिशन हुआ है अप्रैल के महीने में, लोकल एरिया बैंक्स. फॉर लोकल एरिया बैंक्स द न्यू थ्रेशोल्ड इज 1 crore. For UCBs, tier 3, tier 4 is 1 crore. Other UCBs is earlier 15 lakh. ठीक है. तो SCB, SFB मतलब स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, शेड्यूल कमर्शियल बैंक, यानी कि जितने भी यूनिवर्सल बैंक्स हैं उनका लिमिट कितना है? 3 करोड़. ओके. Now new update after years, there is a new guidelines on priority sector lending which you need to cover up. ठीक है. Now district wise there will be a differentiation on priority sector lending target. Okay. So now what Reserve Bank of India says, as per its new amendment, it says now the PSLs will be categorized based on the incremental credit. Incremental credit मतलब last year I gave loan of 100 crores. This time I gave 120 crores. So what is my incremental credit? 20 crore or 20% is my incremental credit. Okay. So what is the change? ये आरबीआई सर्कुलर के लाइन से, उसको भी हमने जीस्ट के फॉर्मेट में दिया है, बट उसको और भी डिकोड हमने किया है कि वेट एडजस्टमेंट इन पीएल. तो फ्रॉम FY 2024-2025 ये रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली 2021-22 से लागू होगा. 2024 और 25 से हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे 125% वेटेज on incremental credit in 196 districts with lower per capita PSL credit. So what Reserve Bank of India has done? they have made a survey. Basis on survey, they found out there are two types of district, or rather three types of district out of 650. How many districts are there in India? 650 around districts. Out of 650 districts, 196 districts have lower per capita PSL penetration. Per capita मतलब per every eligible borrower, मतलब per citizen जो पीएसएल का लोन है वो इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में कम है. कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में ज्यादा लोन दिया गया है पीएसएल में, और कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में कम पीएसएल लोन दिया जाता है, क्योंकि बैंक को तो ओवरऑल टारगेट अचीव करना होता है. द पीएसएल टारगेट ऑफ ए बैंक, द पीएसएल टारगेट ऑफ ए बैंक is not based on its region, not based on its branch. It is based on the overall branch target. So in that context, few districts were left out. Few districts have received enormous PSL lending. So now Reserve Bank of India, what they have done, they have found out few districts. Okay, in 2024, districts with per capita PSL less than 9,000 rupees will receive a higher weight, and the districts which have enormous PSL penetration like more than 42,000 will receive 90% weightage. ठीक है, तो कैलकुलेशन में क्या बोला, 196 district where per capita PSL loan was given is about 9,000 rupees. If you lend in this particular area, out of every incremental credit, 125% weightage will be अलाउड, राइट. मैं इसका कैलकुलेशन भी बताऊंगा आपको. और जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा लोन पहले दे दिया गया था, वेयर देयर वाज एनोरमस लोन गिवन, द वेटेज विल बी 90%. यानी कि अगर लास्ट ईयर आपने 100 रुपए का लोन दिया था, 100 रुपीज पीएसएल में दिया था, एंड दिस टाइम यू गेव 200 रुपीज एज पीएसएल. व्हाट इज द इंक्रीमेंटल क्रेडिट? एडिशनल रुपीज 100 is the incremental credit. If you give the total 100 rupees here in this district, so you will be calculated 125 as PSL. But if you give that entire 100 rupees as a PSL loan to these districts with 42,000 rupees and above PSL penetration, then that 100 rupees will came down to 90 rupees. Rupees 9. Got my point? Is it easy to understand? हमने डिकोड कर दिया आपके लिए, क्योंकि आरबीआई चाहता है कि किसी भी एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पीएसएल का शॉर्टफॉल ना हो. हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू लेंड टू द लास्ट बोरोवर, राइट. द एम ऑफ द बैंक, द एम ऑफ द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया is to safeguard the interest of the small depositor plus the small borrower. If you are preparing for any kind of public sector bank promotion exam, be it scale 1 to scale 6, we have a dedicated course for you. For State Bank of India to Reserve Bank of India, from IDBI Bank to Punjab and Sind Bank, from BOB to PNB, our comprehensive bank promotion exam course covers all aspects of bank promotions. Inside the course, where we have general banking, professional banking, RBI circulars, economy, credit, risk, forex, and nowadays they are asking additional content like Companies Act, other acts, etc. So that is also covered inside our course here, and this is prepared as per the new syllabus of bank promotion exam, where they ask few questions from marketing, HR as well. Based on your exam pattern, based on previous year pattern, the courseware is designed. For higher grades, deeper study materials are also provided up to scale 6 level. Also, we have RBI circular gist and monthly banking to aid you in your preparation. In promotion batch, it is completely free, and additional batch is also given to you. There is a all banking certification course for JIAB, CCP, MSME, Forex, etc. And the course covers all specialized field like credit, risk, treasury, forex, retail banking, finance, account, trade finance, audit, IT, HR, corporate governance, reasoning, and in some of the banks they are nowadays asking questions related to reasoning and banking. Do join our Telegram channel. We are now celebrating 10,000 plus success stories at Knowledge East. So you are watching this class at our additional channel Bank Promotion and JIIB by Knowledgeist. You can also stay connected with our main channel with 1,65,000 plus subscribers. Dedicated internal batches classes are available in internal batches. We are conducting live classes post 9 o'clock for the benefit of our working professionals. So see you in the internal classes.